and welcome back to School Holiday Specials with NLB. My name is Sarah. I'm a librarian with the National Library Board. And growing up, I loved the Harry Potter stories. I would read them over and over again and really wished I could do all the things that they did. I wanted to study charms, play Quidditch, make potions. And so on my 13th birthday, I waited for an owl to come and give me my acceptance letter. I opened the window, I looked out and waited and waited and waited. And no owl ever came for me. So the closest I ever got to Hogwarts was the Wizarding World of Harry Potter in Universal Studios Japan. I saw the Hogwarts castle. I wore my house colours and I even had a meal at the Three Broomsticks, where I drank an amazing butterscotch soda, the same one that Harry and his friends drink when they go to Hogsmeade. And so today, I will be teaching all of you to make that butterscotch soda. Let's go! Here are the utensils that you'll need. First, a tall, clear glass. Next, a big mixing bowl to put all your ingredients into. Then, a whisk to stir all your ingredients together. I'm wearing gloves in this video, but you can also just wash your hands before starting. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. 6 tablespoons of butterscotch sauce. You can find it in the baking aisle of most supermarkets. Next, 5 tablespoons of soft vanilla ice cream. If it's too hard, leave it out for 30 minutes before starting this recipe. Then, you'll also need 1 can of ice cream soda. You'll also need 1 can of whipped cream. Try to get the kind that you can spray out of a nozzle. It makes it easier. Lastly, some ice to make sure your soda is nice and cold. The next ingredient is optional, but if you like, prepare some toppings too. You can use nuts or chocolate candy or even gummy bears. I like the ones that are more colorful, so I have some sprinkles too. Now before we begin, do check with your parents or guardians if you have any allergies before starting. For example, if you're lactose intolerant, use a non-dairy ice cream and some vanilla extract. Are you ready? Let's get started! First, put all the ice cream into the big mixing bowl. Then, use your whisk to press down on the ice cream to make sure it's totally soft. Then, put 5 tablespoons of the butterscotch sauce into the ice cream mixture. Whisk it all together until it's totally combined. Then, grab your can of ice cream soda, open it, and pour all of it into the bowl. Now, whisk everything together until it's completely smooth. Like this, completely smooth. No bumps, no lumps, smooth. Now, grab your glass. Pick up a spoonful of butterscotch sauce and put it in the glass. As you pour, turn the glass. You can do this as many times as you like, and you can even use the back of the spoon to spread the sauce around the glass even more. This is what your glass should look like. Now, grab a handful of ice and put it in the glass. Then, grab your ice cream butterscotch soda and pour it slowly into the glass. Ask an adult for help if you need it. You can also use your spoon to scoop up a little bit of the foam and put it on top of your drink. This will help the drink look a little bit nicer. And now the fun part, decorating. Use the whipped cream and spray it in a circle on the top of your drink. Grab your toppings and put as much as you like on the whipped cream. You can be really creative here. Do whatever you like. And here it is, Butterscotch Soda, a delicious drink for a hot day. Why not try it while reading these fantasy books? Guardians of the Griffin's Claw by Todd Calgi Gallicano. This book follows the adventure of a young boy who discovers that mythical creatures are real and they live around London. He's on a secret mission to protect them all. Nevermore is a series by Jessica Townsend that follows a young girl who is blamed for all the misfortunes of her local village. Her life is pretty miserable until one day a strange person named Jupiter North comes to save her. How will her life change? Find out in the first book, The Trials of Morrigan Crow. I hope you enjoyed making butterscotch soda with me today. This has been a school holiday special with NLB. Until next time, stay safe. Bye!